Hi, my name is Adedaya, and I'll be teaching you how to use the combi function on the Korg Nautilus. Let's go. So when you turn on your keyboard, it takes you to the set list mode, and you want to click on the mode button. You see set list, program, sampling, global, media, sequencer, and combination. But what we want to talk about today is the combination. Now let's go to the combi. Now when you get into this part, I would advise you go a step back just to have like an empty combination channel to add the sounds of your choice. For me, I like to double click this part and click on like an Italian grand piano. Yes. So if you're wondering how I did that, I was able to use this as a volume slider. I toggle this from sound, arpeggio drum, and then user, and I'm able to bring it down from here. Now let's add more sounds. Let's say for the second sound I want to add some strings. Let's say this. Let's add the strings to it. You can use the same button to bring it down. Let's keep adding more sounds. Let's go to keyboards. I like to add this. So let's add this to it. So I have electric piano. I have some strings and pad. And I have my Italian grand. Let's add more sounds. So let's say right now to add organ. Let's add this organ sound. Yes. Now let's add more sounds. Let's go to the lead synth. Let's add a lead synth. That's a lead synth. Guess what? Let's add more sounds. Let's add some brass. So let me do keyboards. So right now I have the electric piano and the brass. Let's add some piano to it too. So let's dial this down a little bit. And I can bring them down as I wish. If I want this organ down, synth, piano, strings, electric piano, organ, lead synth, tones. All right, let's go.